Okay. For sample analysis, we have to press option number 1 for sample analysis after calibration. So we have to press 1. Then you have to select what kind of sample do you have, solid or liquid. So suppose we have liquid, then you have to go for the liquids, option number 2. And if you have liquid and you want to take just by the sample weight, you want to take the sample reading just by sample weight, then you have to select it like solid sample. So suppose we have solid sample 1, then we have to put the weight of the sample, and if the sample value have more moisture, then you have to put less amount of sample. If the sample have less amount of moisture, then you have to put more weight of sample. So this is the process that we have to follow. Now we are putting 25 mg of first 2 digits are in gram, then end are after point, we have after point the decimals are for mg. So next option is for calibrate. For calibrate option, we have to go for the option number 3. Press option number 3 for calibrate. Go for factor calibration, the option number 1. Then what we have to do, we have to add 25 microliter of H2O by using this micropipette. Micropipette is we have to kindly handle very carefully. So whenever you are taking up the sample, you have to press it up to this point, not more than that, and you have to take it like that. So remember that, for up to picking up the solution, you have to press it up to the black point, and you have to pour the solution inside the titration vessel. Now see, everything is done. After that, if you are taking out, just need to press the white one, and if you are pouring out, then you have to press the whole. Now see, the solution is getting dropped from the dropper point, and the machine is neutralizing the methanol. If your methanol is dried, then it will take around 4 ml. If it is not dried, if the moisture content is less than 0.02%, it will take around 6 ml. If it is more than 0.03%, then it will take around 10 ml to get neutralized. Now as you can see, the neutralization is done and the machine is stopped.